In total body PET systems, we have now PET scanners that are starting to extend the axial field of view. So going from the original 15, 25 centimeter axial extent covering the body to actually a meter, 2-meter machines. With such systems, the idea is that you can do much faster imaging. You can inject the patient with less radioactive material while still getting similar image quality. You can also actually, because the scanner is much larger, you can also leverage that in order to look at new things in a PET image. You can look at the distribution of the compound as it's distributing in the body, because you can see that initially when it was a smaller axial extent, you can only see a small part of the body. You cannot see the whole distribution throughout different organs in the body. So these are the latest developments in the scanners. There are also developments on the detector side of the machine, on its timing resolution. But in general, the idea when we talk about total body PET is to talk about covering a larger extent of a patient.
I think the ones that I'm most excited about are the use of these long axial field of view systems for being able to do dynamic imaging. One of the things that PET has always been known for is for its quantitation, and also to be able to do dynamic imaging. And you can get additional information when you through the dynamic imaging process and you do parametric imaging. So the goal would be to better classify or characterize tumors. Maybe you can know whether tumors are more benign or they're going to be more malignant. And so being able to do that in a non-invasive way would be something that I think would be really important.
The intention is for people to learn more about this exciting area in PET imaging, learn about what are the potential use of such an imaging modality. The idea is to try to hopefully get people excited, to convince their centers and their sites to try to adopt total body imaging more so than before, and make this imaging modality more available to the general public.